it's Malik. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest, Dalia. And today we are going to be making fluffy slime! So what fluffy slime is, it's basically fluffy slime. And we are huge slime fans, right? Oh my god, we are huge fluffy slime fans. So today we're going to be making it and showing you guys a really safe recipe. Whoopsies. We're going to be showing you guys a really safe recipe. So let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell, so you can be notified when I post new videos. Now let's actually go make the slime. So what will you be needing? You will be needing
contact solution,
big baking soda, some glue. We're going to be using a 4-ounce bottle of glue. So these are two. So one for her, one for me. We're going to be needing, We're going to be needing measuring spoons.
Well, technically only
two
one.
Bowls.
Two spoons.
And shaving cream. And this is the ingredient that makes it fluffy.
Also, you could get original, but all we could find was lemon and lime.
So we have lemon lime, which is actually totally fine. So make our slime smells good. So let's get started. Wait, I'm going to move it a little bit so you guys can see. And by the way, if I'm taller than her, because she's sitting in a chair. Wait, scoot over.
See, I'm in a chair.
Scoot over. Okay, we're going to try to sit in one chair. Okay, that's fine.
Wait, you got to move the camera over.
Okay, I'm going to move over the camera. So the first thing we're going to be doing, oh my god, this is so uncomfortable.
I know, right?
The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pouring
Wait, where's my glue? Give me my glue. Wait, do you like open the top and then pour it in?
Yeah, kind of show your bowl, kind of. We're going to just pour in our 4-ounce bottle of glue.
You see me struggling to open this because I am actually struggling.
This is actually really satisfying. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, we're not like,
ew.
It's really.
Those sounds are disgusting.
It sounds like farting.
Do you guys think this is satisfying? Comment down below. Oh my gosh.
And then also I'm making a channel in the future with my sister, so make sure to subscribe to that once you find out what the name is.
This is so satisfying. Do you think this is satisfying? I think it's satisfying.
What? Squirting out glue from
No, like look at this satisfying. Okay. I think mine's all done. Make sure it goes on all sides.
I am not finished yet. I'm just gonna move mine around like.
You're gonna have to be patient with this part because the glue, I almost said slime. It's not slime yet, but the glue takes a while to get out. You want all of it. You want all the slime.
Look, you just don't have to move it and it'll come out by itself. Don't move it. Don't move it and
okay,
up.
Mine's done.
Wait, let me see if mine is done yet.
Mine's done. It just there's. Okay, mine's done.
Mine's done too.
Let's throw it in the garbage.
Throw that in the garbage for me.
Wait.
There's literally no more. Okay. I just had to move it around.
Okay. Next, we're gonna be adding 4 tablespoons, I mean, of shaving cream.
And then we have to rinse off the tablespoon.
Can you hold the spoon?
Each. Okay, wait, let's do it over the thing.
Oh my god, shake it. We didn't shake
It's like whipped cream.
It kind of does look like whipped cream, but don't eat shaving cream, you guys.
Oh, it smells so weird. I can't take it out. Take it out.
Okay, so we're putting in the. Oh my god, hold it tight. So this is teamwork makes the dream work.
Well, now this is your spoon, so my spoon. This spoon is dirty.
Okay.
I am taking the dirty spoon, and I got.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
I don't know. Should I just put it off with my hand? Actually, no. I'm just gonna.
That's way too much. Okay.
Dump it in. Try to dump it. Oh, that's what you gotta do.
Take it out. This is teamwork makes the dream work, you guys. Oh
I
my
gotta like
God.
put that on the side.
That was 2. Now we need 2 more.
And then we're gonna do hers. I'm standing right now. That's why I'm taller than her and you can't really see my face.
Ew. Gross. Okay,
It's not.
one last one.
Ew, someone farted. I smell
Thanks for sharing. Oh no, why did you put it in the
You put it in there.
Okay, we're gonna mix it in anyways.
Yeah. But first, we have to rinse that off after we finish. I said
Okay,
rinse
my
that
turn.
off.
Ew,
Mine
where's
has
our
4, so
spoon?
I'm gonna start mixing.
I need the other spoon. Okay, this
Mine already looks sort of like slime, but it's not really slime. Since you still need the slime activator, which is
and
contact solution.
yeah. And by the way, if you want to take it a step further, you can even add lotion to yours.
And food coloring. Food coloring is on here.
Yeah,
And glitter. And a bunch of nice stuff.
perfect. So
My bowl is out of the picture right now.
yeah,
Look at it.
show your bowl. Ew, gross. Okay, we're gonna go rinse this off really
I
quick.
gotta rinse mine.
We're gonna go. We'll be right back. We're gonna rinse some stuff off, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back, and now we're just gonna mix in. Oh, she already mixed hers.
Mix it in. No!
Oh my God, it's so fluffy. I love making. Mommy, it's not fast. Oh, that's my mom, by the way.
I'll be right back. I gotta rinse my face.
We're mixing it all in. Oh my God, look, you guys, it's so fluffy.
Well, it's not fluffy slimy yet.
Yeah, it's not fluffy slime yet. We still didn't add.
The activator.
So next we're gonna be adding. Whoops, that just totally fell. Okay, next we're gonna be adding a 4th teaspoon of baking soda.
Wait, is that a 4th teaspoon? Let me see.
Yep.
Okay, that's a 4th.
Oh God. Okay.
I'm gonna stand out of the thing for now while she
Let's-
does that. So we have a lot of other friends, but they didn't show up. They were not supposed to show up. It was just us. Sorry, guys. 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and right now I'm out of the picture. You know what? Move the chair a little bit.
There we go.
There we go. Now you can see us a little better.
And I got on my arm.
Now we're just gonna mix in the baking soda. This will kind of make it form a little bit better and form it a little bit easier. And
Looks like glue.
well, it is glue and shaving cream and baking soda.
Well, yeah, there's glue in it, but it,
Okay,
it just,
and now it's the time that we've all been waiting for. We
An
are going to be
activation.
adding the contact solution, which makes it fluffy slime. We
also, one thing, guys, remember if you ever get like glue or something on your hand, wash it off right away so it doesn't stick on your hand.
because that's the worst part. Don't do that. So we're gonna keep adding a tablespoon at a time, but we're gonna start with a teaspoon, and we're gonna be adding a teaspoon at a time. And this recipe, fun fact, is from Leah from 7 Perfect Angels, and she
So,
did
shout out to you.
Leah. So now we're gonna be adding a teaspoon at
And
a time.
also funnel vision.
Hey,
so
can you hold this and then squeeze it in? Oh no! Oh no!
and also to the channel Funnel Vision if you watch them. Because they made slime and it was really awesome.
Okay, let's
You
add.
mix that in.
Whoopsies. And a teaspoon at a time of contact solution.
This is the
Oh my God, you guys!
activator.
It's actually like.
It's starting to form.
Oh, it's getting harder to mix. So this is the part where you need a lot of arm muscle.
I already have a lot of arm muscle.
Look, you guys.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I got arm muscle.
Okay, we definitely need. We definitely need a little bit more.
It looks like
Okay,
slime. but
let's
it's not.
add another teaspoon. Let's actually do like less than a teaspoon this time. So like that much, and see. Oh my gosh! Okay, that was way too much. Hers is actually kind of forming. Show yours. Oopsie, sorry.
Mine is already forming, guys.
Sorry, we're out of the frame. We have to mix it in.
See, mine's already forming. Mine's a sticky ass slime.
Yeah, it's still super sticky, so we're gonna have to keep adding.
Once it starts to stop getting sticky,
And it like kind of scrapes off
start
the bowl.
playing with your hands.
Yeah.
Making it play with your
We're gonna
hands.
add a tiny bit more of the contact solution. A little bit more.
Ew! Ew.
And we're just gonna continue mixing. And we'll be back when our slimes have formed.
Well, technically,
Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, so now our slime is starting to form. Okay,
it's sticking to my spoon.
mine's actually done. I think I'm ready to mix it in
Not mine.
with my hands.
At least this time, because I made slime before and it was a fail, but this time it's not.
Yeah. This recipe is super safe.
And it does not give you third-degree burn.
And it's really safe because it doesn't include like detergent or detergent boosters, so
Or
it's super
borax.
safe.
And borax can give you third-degree burns.
That's enough. I know we put like almost half of the bottle, but
How almost half? Use like 3 tablespoons.
we need to go. Oh my god! Look. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Okay, mine's still super sticky. Look. Look at mine.
You're bad at this.
It's okay. It's okay.
What? What?
Okay, we're having technical difficulties here. Oh, that was too much. Okay, mine's ready. Mine's like literally sticking off the bowl.
Mine is almost ready. Well, mine's ready, but I'm still putting it in the bowl for a little longer.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to like mix it all in.
Ew, it's all sticky.
It's so sticky.
You have to get used to it, guys.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
And we're just gonna keep adding. So much.
What is that noise?
That's the beeping noise from the oven. Look, mine's getting there.
Mine is there, but it's still sticky. It's still a lot.
Yeah, so we're gonna get the cutting board and we're gonna put.
Ew, look what happened, guys.
We're gonna put.
Crayola booking.
So we're gonna
Look,
put
I
it
have white
on this,
boogers.
and we're gonna.